Alright guys, welcome to Tablecloth Planet, and today I'm going to talk about a mistake you are making on YouTube. All of us want to be successful. All of us want to start businesses. All of us want our names chanted on the streets. But very few of us are willing to put in the work. 1%, maybe 0.1% of the population is willing to put in the work required to get that level of success that you want. What about the rest? What about the other 99.9%? Don't they have the same dreams? And the answer is yes. Almost everybody has the same dreams. In fact, the exception in that case, only maybe 1 or 0.1% of the world just wants to have nothing to do with success. Everyone else does. So what do? Do they start a company, start reading, tactical stuff and, get into movement, get into action? The answer is no. They're sitting on YouTube, they go to the search bar and they type motivation. Motivation. And they press enter, right? It's like taking a bath for some people. I was watching this one person's activity on phone. Like I do that a lot, right? Because we're building consumer apps. I like to look at how people use their apps in a non-creepy way. And his YouTube recommendations were just motivational stuff. You should wake up at 7 a.m. You should sleep at 10 in the night. You should read 30 books a year. But the number one most criminal type of motivational video, which gets a lot of views. It works for the person putting up the video and it does no service to you, is the Elon Musk motivational video, right? It's somewhat like this. It's got like this thumbnail with Elon Musk's face and then 7 things that Elon Musk does to become successful. Or the one reason Elon Musk was able to run 3 businesses. Why is Elon Musk worth $200 billion? And then there's a guy who is probably sitting in his mom's basement, never started a business, who's made this video, right? Where it's Elon Musk, bits and clips without context, stitched together. Elon Musk slept in Tesla's factory and that's why today they're successful. Elon Musk woke up at 6 in the morning, took cold showers and that's why he's successful. All sorts of theory crafting. But the truth is, if you're watching this sort of video, you're being misled. You're being misled because you are never going to become an entrepreneur watching this sort of video. And I'm going to quote you something that goes against the Elon Musk videos. Guess who it's by? That's right, it's by Elon Musk. And it goes like this: if you need encouragement, do not become an entrepreneur. That's right, that's all the motivation you need. The fact that with one fell swoop, Elon Musk has destroyed every single Elon Musk motivational video out there. They don't help. And I'm very, very sure, because I know a ton of entrepreneurs today, none of them spend time looking at those videos. They don't have the time. They're either creating content, building businesses, getting the distribution, putting in the work. But I'll tell you why you're sitting and procrastinating on that work by going out and watching these videos. It's because in your head, building a big business or getting successful is a giant enterprise. You gotta do so much. And you're like, shit, it's so big, I gotta procrastinate on this. It's so heavy, I can't do this right now. If you really want to win, if you really want to get that level of success, understand 2 things. Firstly, understand that large successes often start from small steps. Elon Musk's first project was something called Blastar. It was a game, it was a space game where you go and destroy asteroids and aliens. Small steps. I'm sure before that, he would have probably made a Hello World game. I'm sure before that he made something smaller. Before that, he would have made something even smaller. If you go and ask every programmer, they start with the smallest step. Every programmer's life starts with the words hello world. They make a hello world program, right? And if you've studied even a little programming, even if you hate it, I'm sure you know how to print hello world. That's a small step. Any line of business you're in, you just need to start, right? You need small steps. You don't need motivational videos. In fact, motivational videos are preventing you from taking those small steps because the goal now seems large. You're thinking, how do I build a gigafactory? Instead of starting with that hello world. The second thing is that success is often a function of consistency. Elon Musk has been doing this for many decades now, right? Ever since he was a teenager. He's successful today. You need to put in a very long amount of time. And you can't do that if you're sitting and watching videos. You're only going to do that if you love it. Whatever segment you're entering, you need to really love it. And Elon Musk has gone through multiple different segments, right? People look at his work on SpaceX or Tesla or whatever and say that, he had a business decision behind this, he had a goal to do this. Maybe true, but in reality, Elon Musk actually really loved it, right? He talks about simulation theory and he talks about the physics side of simulation theory. He enjoys physics. He enjoys sitting down with a physics textbook. You don't enjoy it. You'll procrastinate on it. You'd rather watch an Elon Musk video. So all you have to do is pick what you enjoy and go so deep into it, deeper than any other human has, right? And start with small steps. So 2 simple steps. Pick up something you really enjoy, that you're willing to go deep into for 20, 30 years, and start with really small steps. That's all, right? That's the story of every successful person ever. It's a generic. It's not just Elon Musk, it's everyone else, right? Because success is the function of random instances. One day, someone's going to call you and say, hey, I need you to do this for me, right? Because you've taken those small steps and gotten like small portfolio. And then you get that project. And because of that, now you're in a different league, right? And once you're there, you try something new and now you're in a different league. Life is a series of upgrades. It's not going to start if you're looking at the final goal, because all these motivation videos are final goals. You don't see all the hardship, all the ups, downs, all the mistakes. Like this is one very famous Steve Jobs story. He made a custom factory for the Macs, and the price of the Macs ended up being $20,000. And nobody was willing to pay $20,000. It's a big disaster. He was very adamant about it. It just didn't work. And nobody's going to talk about it because Steve Jobs was extremely arrogant about that set of Macs, and it just didn't work out. And such is life, right? You're only seeing one side of the story because the guy who's making this video is some guy in his basement who's just like, I need views, right? And there'll probably be an ad in the middle for some protein powder. Avoid those videos, clean your YouTube feed, change to good content creators, technical content creators, because that's what's going to make you money. That's what's going to get you successful. Technical stuff. It need not be code. It could be anything. Even with marketing, get in the technicalities, get dirty, get in the trenches, and that's what's going to work. Avoid the motivational videos. Downvote, report. I don't want to see anything like this on YouTube. You can do all those 3 things. That's it for me. Bye.